Hey drum fans, it's cocktail time, and tonight I'm gonna make you a drink you can't refuse. I know, it's like Brando's in the room. Tonight's drink is a Godfather Sour. So that's a kind of a mashup really of an Amaretto Sour and a Whisky Sour, and hopefully this will satisfy James Angus, who's been hassling me for weeks to make a Godfather. So, for our Godfather Sour, we're going to start off with 25ml of sugar syrup, 25ml of lemon juice, the juice of about half a lime. To give this one a nice bit of froth, we're going to add in an egg white. It's going to give it that lovely frothy head on the drink. Then 25ml of Amaretto, 50ml of our whiskey. We're using Grant's blended whiskey for this one tonight. So we're going to give that a lot of dry shake first of all, seeing as we've got that egg white in there. That just helps froth everything up nicely. And we're going to ice our shaker. Then we're going to serve that in a nice chilled rocks glass with a lovely big ice cube in it. And our garnish for this involves maraschino cherries. If you have Luxardo maraschino cherries, that's the ideal cherry for this. I don't have any Luxardo cherries. What I do have is these lovely day glow red, like radioactive red maraschino cherries. They're so bad that they're good. So I'm using a couple of them. I made a little lime cherry sail to just pop on the top of this drink. So that is a Godfather Sour. That's really, really good. Yeah, that's lovely. The Amaretto comes through just nicely, just a wee bit. It's not overpowering. I've got a really sweet tooth, and sometimes Amaretto for me can be a wee bit too sickly sweet, but this just balances it out nicely with the lemon juice. That little bit of lime juice obviously giving a bit more sweetness than the lemon does. But yeah, really lovely flavour, and of course you can see that lovely froth on the top from the egg white. Thanks for watching, stay safe, cheers.